Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to buy a Bluetooth speaker and your budget is around 100 rupees, then this video is for you guys. Please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Guys, this is how the box looks like, and you can buy this from Paytm for 90 rupees. Link in the description below, go check out. In the box you're getting a micro USB cable and the Bluetooth speaker itself. Guys, this Bluetooth speaker is feature packed. It supports everything from FM, Bluetooth, and even you can use SD card. And guys, you can even use aux cable to play music directly from your device. And I think this is one of the best Bluetooth speaker you can buy right now for this price, and it supports every feature that available on a Bluetooth speaker. Guys, really it takes some time to connect with your smartphone. I've tried this for 10 to 20 times. Finally it is connected, and this is how it looks when it's connected with your smartphone. Guys, listen to this audio. It's been recorded from the Bluetooth speaker that you're seeing right now. And guys, I think this is one of the best Bluetooth speaker that you can buy right now for just 100 rupees. Go check out, link in the description below. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.